Welcome back to James' Garage. This video is all over the place. I know it's gonna be outlandish, right? Anyway, I got the mess that was here over there. Okay, I'm working on that mess too, but today I'm more bent on working on this. I did put out a video already. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I'll try and put it up here, maybe. But what I'm doing is I'm working on this and putting the cam bearing in. That's my objective, to get it done today. Okay. Whether I get that done today, still to be seen, because oh my goodness, I do have a pile of tools that I'm trying to put away. So that's what's under the bike right now. There was a lot more around here. I mean, you know me, I'm a hoarder. What can I say? If you got it and I think it's good, I'm probably gonna own it. But that's what I got going on. Stick around, okay? Taking a lunch break. Pizza hoagie. Hey, Cookie. Going as well as it can be expected. I'll show you more here in a little bit. Yeah, usually I'm pretty stoned by now. I got this all covered up here. I'm gonna try and dig it out with these first. Let's see. I hope you can see. I know I can't. I need some real glasses. My Dremel tool is charging because I can't find my plug-in one. Imagine that. So I'm taking this and I'm breaking off the pieces. I'm trying not to get any where I don't want to get them. I knew that wasn't going to work. Oh well. I've got quite a few of the pieces off. You don't know if you see that. I guess it fell. I got some of the pieces off. It's still bothersome though. So I don't know if that's a seal. But anyway, I do have a piece of emery cloth. And I had a sanding disc, baby. What did I do with my sanding disc? Oh no. See, even without the herb, I'm still addle-brained. I used to be way smarter than this. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Marines. Oh, this is working better than the other idea was. Way better. Oops, don't cut. Slow down. Slow down. Stand there. It's actually a pretty good sized ridge. The thing wore in there. Alright, be back. There's definitely a hole, it's an oiling hole, that I don't want to get anything into whatsoever. And I already got a damn piece of frickin' metal in it. I mean in the slot, not in the hole. Anyway, trying to find my magnet at the moment. And I'm not having a very good time of it, which is pissing me off. I don't know what to do with my magnet, damn it. These two pieces right there definitely need to come out of there. This is the kind of debris that I'm going to have to be dealing with. Dang it. As you can see, this is all chewed up right here. So I'm trying not to get anything down in there, while at the same time cleaning it out, grinding it. So that's what I got going on. Lovely. It's just a lovely time here in the neighborhood. I guess I should have done this a long time ago, peeps. But like I said, I've got procrastination. Procrastination. Anyway, I'm getting there because it was a lot choppier than that. I'm working on it. See you in a minute. Next scene, baby. I got me a little file, a little raspy file. With that last little raspy file, guess what I'm doing? I said, guess what I'm doing? That's right, I'm filing on it. because the daggone Dremel tool is not charging correctly for some reason. I'm working on it, guys. Working on it. That's all I can do is work on it, right? Anyway, I got this file going here. It seems to be doing a decent job. I just hope I'm not making an oil passage where an oil passage is not supposed to be. Oh yeah, you know it. I got the cam hole blocked off for now. I wish I had a flat file to use, but all I have is this round one. I mean, it's working, don't get me wrong. I just feel like I'm at an angle and it's not in there far enough, and we'll get it though, we'll get it. Somebody's out there shooting their guns today. I got a flat file. I don't know why I haven't went over and got it. I think I'm gonna do that. Oh yeah, yeah. I got me a piece of it there, baby. Got me a piece of it there. Come on, baby. Don't want to come off for some reason. Let's see if I can wiggle back and forth and break it. I ain't got a blowgun. My air compressor took a on me. So, I'm getting there, man. I really want to get the Dremel tool down in there, though, because I still got a little ledge, and I don't want to grind too much of these way or anything, because I did get into this one. I don't want to grind any of that away, because I don't know if I'm making an extra passage for oil to leak. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Or do I? I think I used to. I promise. Anyway, back to it.